Alright, so today we're going to be 3D printing an iris box. So it's actually more like an iris cylinder to be more precise. It has two doors. Actually, there's one door that looks like it has two doors. And I'll be printing it in two different colored plastics, a lighter blue and a darker blue. So let's get started with the actual speed print of it. Alrighty, so the part is finished. So let's get started with the actual assembly of this piece. Here's the piece here, which is mainly the piece was printed out really nice. With this top piece that also goes on it. Now these two pieces fit together like so, and they produce a nice look like this. I'm gonna put this like this. And then these bluer pieces, which I printed in a different type plastic to make the prints look a lot nicer. This piece goes right in here like this. Booyah, and then this moves, wow, look at that. That's really cool. So I'm just gonna go halfway like that, and then we'll put the next piece in. Oh, you know what, before I do too much of this, I think I should probably put these pieces on like so, like that. So now it's got even a bigger piece moving, like that. Ah, absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and assemble this next piece. Like so. Alright, so that's all of them there. We can get them all to open. There we go. It's much nicer. Wow. That is extremely addicting to watch. Just like that. I'm actually open all of them up like that. So I can start putting these pieces on. Beautiful. Look at that. That is so cool. That's really addicting to look at. As always, post a comment if you want to see something printed, and we will see you next week. Thanks for watching. Like that, so we have it nice and open like so, and then this piece should just cool. Bit of an angle. That's the door. Alright, this piece is absolutely awesome. Look at that. So you have this piece and then it opens up like this and shuts. Oh, beautiful. So we now can